Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to add a custom domain to the Firebase hosting. So let me show you. This is the domain which I have purchased from a hosting company, and this I will show you how to connect to the Firebase. So let's go to the Firebase, and this is the hosting which is running on the project free hosting. Now let's start. So you just have to simply click on the add custom domain, which is you can see under the hosting dashboard. Click on it. It is now asking for the domain name. So our domain name is warmodroid.com. So this is the domain name you can see here. So we have to type same as it is whatever is given here. So now let's go back and click on the continue. So in the step 2 we have to verify our ownership. We have to verify that we actually own this domain. So for this we have to add the txt value in the hostinger. So just copy this value and go to your domain dashboard and go to the DNS zone. Here you will find the txt. So txt, where are you? Here it is. Now you just have to click on the add new and just paste here the txt value which you copied from the Firebase, and the host will be warmodroid.com. Click on the save. Okay, we have done. We have updated the txt value. Now click on the verify. It will verify that you are the owner of the domain, and it says try again. Sometime it doesn't work, it takes time to get updated, so you have to just keep trying. So as you can see, after waiting for the 2 minutes, it's it is able to verify the ownership. Now in the step 3 it is asking to add a record type of A. So let's add this two domain name, this two IP address to our domain. So this is the A. Now click on the add new and give the domain IP address, and the host will be .com. Click on the save. Now do the same for the second one. So you have to be very careful while typing this IP address and the txt record. Otherwise, if you have done even a single digit error, then it won't work. So as you can see here, the DNS record created. Now go back to the Firebase and click on the finish. So now you can see our custom domain is added here. Now let's see, is it able to open the Firebase host files? Okay, it's done guys. So it got connected to the Firebase hosting. Please like, subscribe and share this video if you like, and thanks for watching.